Good morning, dear children. Hope you all celebrated Onam well. Now we will continue with our studies. Are you ready? Children, in last class we learned multiplication table. These tables can be written with the help of the grid given below. Let us recall the multiplication table through this grid. Can you see this grid? This is the grid representation of our multiplication table. We can read like this: 1, 1 is 1, 2, 1 is 2, 3, 1s are 3, 4, 1s are 4, 5, 1s are 5. Clear? See the multiplication table of 6. 1, 6 is 6, 2, 6 are 12, 3, 6 are 18, 4, 6 are 24, 5, 6 are 30. Clear? Like this, the multiplication table of 12. Listen here. 1, 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48, 5 12s are 60, 6 12s are 72, 7 12s are 84, 8 12s are 96, 9 12s are 108, 10 12s are 120. Like this you can make a grid representation of multiplication table, and you can use this grid representation for doing multiplication. Now we are going to learn multiplication. Here we have to multiply these two numbers. Can you see the numbers? 143 into 2. We have to multiply 143 by 2. So first we have to arrange the digits of the numbers in its exact position. 143 is a 3-digit number. So ones place, tens place and hundreds place. We need like this a table. 143, in ones place there is 3, in tens place there is 4 and in hundreds place there is 1. So we have to write the numbers like this. Then we have to multiply by 2. So 2 you have to write in the ones position. So first we have to multiply the two numbers in ones place. Here 3 into 2. 3 multiplied by 2. See here, by using this multiplication grid, how can we multiply this 3 and 2? See here, in the first column you have to check. The first column you have to take 3, and from the first row 2. 3 into 2, 6. That means 3 2s are 6. Did you understand? 3 2s are 6. So here you have to write 6. 3 2s are 6. That 6 you have to write in the ones place. Then next what you have to do? Multiply the tens place by 2. In tens place there is 4. 4 2s. 4 2s are, see here, 2. Here it is 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Did you understand how we got the answer from the grid? 4 2s are 8. That 8 you have to write in tens place. How we got this 8? 4 2s are 8. Clear? Next, you have to multiply the hundreds place by 2. See, 1, 2. 1, 2 is 2. That we know. Did you understand? So, the answer 143 into 2 is equal to, what we will get? 143 into 2 is equal to 286. What is the answer? The answer is 286. 143 into 2 is equal to 286. Did you understand? Listen here. Once again I will explain. Listen. First we have to arrange the numbers. First we have to arrange the digits of the numbers in its correct position. Then first we have to multiply the ones position. See here, 2 here, 3 into 2. First you have to multiply the 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6. You have to recall the multiplication table of 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. Like this also you can do. Then next you have to multiply 4. The tens place there is 4. So 4 into 2. Multiply this 4 by 2. 4 2s are. Okay. You have to recall the multiplication table of 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. That 8 you have to write here. Did you understand? Then next, in hundreds place. The hundreds place you have to multiply by this 2. 1 2 is 2. So, our answer is 143 into 2 is equal to 286. Clear? Then, one more example. Next, we are going to multiply 231 by 3. 231 by 3. So, first what we have to do? Arrange the digits of the numbers in its correct position. So, here in ones place, 231 is a 3-digit number. So, there is ones place, tens place and hundreds place, we know. So, first we have to arrange the digits in its correct position. So, in ones place there is 1. In tens place there is 3. And in hundreds place there is 2. Our first number is 231. Clear? Multiply this number by 3. That 3 where we have to write? We have to write in ones position. Clear? Multiply this number by 3. Clear? Now, let us start multiplication. See here. First we have to multiply the ones place. 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3. You know. Then next, the tens place you have to multiply by this 3 again. 3 into 3. 3 3s are. You have to recall the 3's multiplication table. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So, what we have to write here? Write 9. Clear? That 9 you have to write in tens position. Clear? Then next we have to move in hundreds place. In hundreds place there is 2. Multiply this 2 with, multiply this 2 by 3. 2 3s are. 2 3s are. 2 1 is 2. 2 3s are 6. Clear? Here also you can use this multiplication grid. Children, next we are going to learn multiplication with carryover. See, here we are going to multiply 453 by 4. 453 by 4. So what we have to do? First we have to arrange the digits of the numbers in its correct position. We know 453 is a 3-digit number. So 4, 5, 3. How can we write the digits? Here in ones place there is 3 and in tens place, this is the place for writing the carryover. So the next row we can write first digit 3. In ones place there is 3 and in tens place there is 5 and in hundreds place there is 4. So like this we can write 453 multiplied by 4. So that 4 you have to write in ones place. 453 into 4. Now we have to start the multiplication. 3 4s are. From 3's multiplication table we will get 3 4s are. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. We know 12 is a 2-digit number. So what we have to write? Write 2 in ones position and 1 is the carryover. That one carryover you have to write in the tens place. See, 1 is the carried over. Understand? Next, in tens place there is 5. 5 we have to multiply by 4. 5 4s. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. With this 20, you have to add the carried over 1. That is 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. 21 is also a 2-digit number. So in tens place you have to write 1. So what's the carryover? 2 is the carryover. How we got this 2? 5 4s are 20. 20 plus this carryover. 20 plus carryover 1. 20 plus 1. 21. So that 1 you have to write here in tens place and 2 is the carryover. Write in hundreds place. Clear? Then next in hundreds place there is 4. 4 multiply by 4. 4 4s are. 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. So 16 plus the carryover 2. 16 plus 2. 17. 18. 16 plus 2. 18. So that 18 you have to write here like this. Did you understand? See here. So what is our answer? 1812. If we multiply 453 by 4, we will get 1812. Clear? So one more example. See here. Next here we have to multiply 523 by 6. 523 into 6. First we have to arrange the numbers in its correct position. 523. So in ones place there is 3. In tens place 2. In hundreds place there is 5. So 523 we have to write like this. Clear? Then we have to multiply this number by 6. So 6 we have to write in ones position. Okay. Now let us start multiplication. 3 6. We have to multiply 3 by 6. 3 6 are. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18. So 18 is a 2-digit number. So we have to write 8 here. 18 is a 2-digit number. So we have to write 8 here. Then what's the carryover? 18. So 1 is carryover. That carryover you have to write in tens place. Clear? Now in tens place there is 2. 2 multiplied by 6. 2 6 are. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. This carried over 1 we have to add with that 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 you have to write here in tens place. 13 they carried over 1. Clear? That 1 you have to write in hundreds place. Again in hundreds place there is 5. 5 multiplied by 6. 5 6 are. 5 6. 5 6 are. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 30 plus 1, 31. So 1, here 3. 31 you have to write like this. Read the answer. 3138. The answer is 3138. Did you understand? Like this you can multiply two numbers. Children, next we are going to learn multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. We already know the multiplication table of 10. See, 1 10 is 10, 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30, like that. So, we know 1 into 10 is equal to 10. See, 1 into 10, 1 into 1, 1, and you have to put this 0 also. 10. Clear? Then next 2 into 10. What's the answer? 20. Write 2 itself and put 1 0. See here. Now what is 3 into 10? Write 3 itself and put a 0. See here. 10, 20, 30. So what is 4 into 10? 4 into 10 is equal to, yes, write 4 and put 1 0 also, 40. Clear? So can you tell what is 56 into 10? 56 into 10. How can we find the answer? Yes, write 56 and insert or put a 0 with that 56. So 560 is the product of these two numbers. 56 into 10 is equal to 560. Clear? Next we are going to learn the multiplication by 100. Can you say how can we multiply these two numbers 23 into 100? Any idea? Yes, you know. How can we multiply? Write 23 itself and put 2 zeros at the end of it. Isn't it? So, write 23 and put 2 zeros at the end of this number 2300. Clear? So, tell me 34 into 100. 34 into 100. What we have to do? Yes. Write 34 and put 2 zeros at the end of this number. Clear? Then next, 45 into 100. How can we find the product? 45. You have to write 45 and put 2 zeros at the end of the number. Next, we are going to learn multiplication by 1000. Multiplication by 1000. Yes. Can you tell me how we will find the product here? 8 multiplied by 1000. In 1000, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So, for finding the product, write this 8 itself and insert how many zeros? Yes, 3 zeros at the end of this number. 1, 2, 3. So, 8 into 1000 is equal to 8000. Clear? Next, 4 into 1000. Write 4 and put 3 zeros at the end. 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000. Clear? Next, 7 into 1000. 7 into 1000, 7 and put 3 zeros at the end. So, 7000. Did you understand? Okay. Children, here is an activity for you. Look at this grid representation of this multiplication table. So, you have to make a grid of multiplication table from 1 to 12 and use it when you do multiplication. Like this, you have to make the grid representation of the multiplication table and you have take a photo and post in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Hope all of you understood the multiplication. Now you have to do the textbook exercise. Thank you.